Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I used my old braiding attachments. In this video I used my old attachment to make this wine colorway. First of all, you can see the attachments that I used after braiding. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the weave on, like turning it to weft. So you can see how I used baby wool. You use the attachment, you pass it through the wool and you knot, as you can see in this video. So after then you can see the one I've done. How it is. See, it's already looking like we've on here. So the essence of this method is because I don't want to use my crochet pin. So after then I used my sewing machine to sew. I was sewing on the place that I put the wool. The essence of this is to make the attach very strong, but if you don't have a machine you can skip this process. You can use your hot iron to secure the weft so to be strong. So after then I've already done my ventilation. I've already ventilated the closure, as you can see the closure. Then later I dipped the hair into hot water, the closure, as you can see in this video. See how the closure is looking like. So after then I sewed down the closure on the net. This is the part that I was sewing down the weft, I was sewing down the ribbon, I was sewing it on the wig cap. So you need your wig cap, you need your needle, you need your scissors, then you continue the process.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So you keep sewing down the attachments to the end of the wig cap, then you double your thread. So after then cut off the thread. Then this was how it looked like when I finished sewing the weave on. So after then I dipped into hot water. This water with a conditioner. You soak the hair into hot water. After soaking it inside hot water, so it's now looking like this. Then I had to straighten it with my hair straightener. So you can use your new attachment. You can buy new attachment for this. You ventilate your closure, then turn the attachment into weave on using your baby wool and your attachments. So if you watch to this part to the end of this video, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll be dropping more videos soon. Thank you so much.